I have to take a medical exam for life insurance coverage?
In most cases, the answer is yes and no. Some of the lowest insurance rates, again, this has to do with your health, will require for you to undergo some simple medical exams. But a lot of what they call the non-medical type policies just require that you fill out the application. They verify the information that's on the application, and the application is generally approved at that particular time. The ones that are what they call fully underwritten will require a nurse to do a physical exam.
So what happens during the medical exam for life insurance coverage?
You will need to complete the application like you would generally with any type of process, but the application will have a lot more detailed information that you're going to be asked and verified, whereas the nurse will verify all these information, which again will be your height, your weight, your date of birth, your lifestyle habits. They may even ask you some financial information regarding your annual income, your net worth, a lot more detailed than just the application questions. Now, the one thing which people think about when they do this in-depth exam is that they think, well, maybe I'll just change my height or change my weight, or say I'm a non-smoker if I am a smoker. It may be tempting to do this, but it's important that if you're going to have any truth to anything in your life at the present time, this is the place where you need to tell the truth. If a company discovers that you have lied on any of these information, there are a number of things that will affect the policy. They could increase your premium to cover that particular condition. They may cancel your policy altogether and deny the beneficiary the claim in case of death. So as I mentioned, at this particular point, you want to be as truthful as possible, as much as you can. During the exam, you'll have what they call a paramedical, which could be a nurse. They do go into your medical history. They're going to ask you a lot more family medical history questions. They're going to again take your blood pressure, your heartbeat. They'll do a blood sample. They'll check your height and weight again. In most cases, they'll do a urine sample, and they'll ask you a lot about your lifestyle habits, what you do on a daily basis, exercising, any type of drugs that you have, if you travel a lot, if you have again the high risk hobbies that would have your rate rated on a higher scale for your premiums on a monthly basis.